Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got the biggest home bargain haul I've ever done before. You see, it is home bargains and then a little bit of B&M home stores, but I'll tell you which is which as I get it out the bags. I went to home bargains because we put our house on the market and we've got viewings and I need to do some cleaning, and I went to my cleaning cupboard and most of it was gone, so for like deep cleaning. So I thought I would go and get some cleaning stuff, and home bargains is the best place to buy cleaning stuff in my opinion. And then I got a few other bits while I was there, because we all know what happens in home bargains. You go in for one thing and you spend £70 when you come out and you don't know why. I spent £68 today and then £15 in B&M home stores as well. So if you like these kind of haul videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. But let's jump into this. I've moved everything slightly so I can grab it easier. So home bargains, if you aren't from the UK, I think it's like Target or Walmart, where it pretty much sells everything. So they do food, they do cleaning stuff, they do furniture, they do plants, they do pet food, makeup, cleaning stuff, everything. They just literally everything. Clothes. So I got the kids some crisps because I forgot on my weekly shop this week. So I just got some Pond and some Quavers for the kids. I got some dishwasher tablets. Hadn't seen these ones before. These were £10. But yeah, they look alright. I am doing the small ones, but the delivery's not come yet and I've run out of dishwasher tablets, so I thought I would get some. And it was a recyclable pack, so I went for those. I got some cleaning wipes. I don't normally use cleaning wipes, but because we're going to be having people in the house to view, I wanted to have something quick that I can just wipe over and throw away for when people have been in the house, because obviously the pepperoni that's happened at the moment, you need to be extra clean. I got some magic erasers, and these I'm hoping to get like on my bedroom wall. I don't know if you can see, there's like a line that Ben drew along the wall to measure something. It's in pencil and it's been annoying me, so I thought I'll try these and see if I can get that off. I wanted some Zaflora, couldn't think then, but they're like £3 something a bottle. I was like, no thank you. So I got these ones instead. These were 99p a bottle. Fabulosa disinfectant, suitable for vegans and cruelty free, which was made me very happy. Fresh linen and wild rhubarb. So these you can use, like, you can dilute to make general disinfectant. You can use it neat. You can wash like pet things with it. You can put it in a spray to make like a spray disinfectant. But it's basically Zaflora, but cheap, and they smell really good. Yeah, they smell really nice. That one smells identical to the Zaflora clean linen. I got some Ziploc freezer bags because I've just run out. I got another Fabulosa thing, which is a multi-surface polish. It says it dusts and shines, and I wanted something that I could clean my mirrors with, so I got that. Again, I got it for the clean linen scent. I got 2 lots of Shake and Back, because I love Shake and Back. It's one of my favourites. I've used this for years. The Magnolia and Vanilla is my favourite one. If you don't know, this is basically just like a powder that you sprinkle on your carpets or sofas. Leave it for like half an hour or so, and then hoover it up, and it makes everything smell amazing. And obviously, because we're having people round, we've only got carpets on the upstairs of the house. I will do the living room rug, but yeah, it just makes everything smell good. Some sponges because I've run out. I got some toilet cleaner because I don't really feel like I need to explain. It's just toilet cleaner to clean the toilets. They're already clean, but it's nice to have them extra clean. I've got some stains around the sink that is like, you know when like you leave water to sit and then you just can't get it off, it's like that. And my friend recommended this. It foams up and she said this will do it. It's not mold on the sink, but she said this will help, so we'll try that. Some dusters because I need to polish the mirrors. I got the girls, I didn't get everything cleaning, I got some other stuff while I was there. I got the girls one of these each, which I thought was so cute. These were 89p each. Look, how cute is that? It's like a little artist palette of watercolours, and you get one paintbrush. And I just thought that was really cute, so I got the girls one of those each to have to do some painting, and they'll love that. I got a new shower head for my shower because my shower in my ensuite is knackered. This was like £8 I think for the both bits. So I got a big shower thing and then a new tubey. I got a new hand towel for my downstairs toilet. Nice cotton one with a ribby pattern on it. And that's that for that bag, that's done. I'm just hiding my bedroom earlier, I've just made it a mess again. Oh my god. The other Home Bargains bag. I got some sponge cleaner things. I love these for cleaning down the kitchen. Vegetable sponge. I got some ear pickers. I got some cookies for the kids to try. I got mint chocolate and chocolate orange Maryland cookies. They're like 49p each. I got some cotton pads. I got the girls a pencil each. I saw this one and it's a sloth, so I had to get that for Mika. And then I got Ari a unicorn, just little pencils. I got myself a little candle for my ensuite. It is cotton and peony, and it's the Wickford ones, and they are just amazing. Oh, they just smell so good. I normally do the gingerbread ones, but I thought this is more like a spring summery kind of smell. I got some foam. My friend said this was really good. Foam aroma, self-acting. My friend is like the cleaning queen. She like gives Mrs. Hinch a run for her money. And I sent her some photos of what I needed to clean. She was like, get this, this and this. And this is self-acting fragrance powder, active foam, better cleaning action, improved lime scale removal. I got rose and apple blossom. And I don't like the smell of rose, but I didn't really think it smelled like rose. I think it just smells quite sweet. I think you just do tip a capful into the loo from the top of the bowl, and then it will foam, and then you can just leave it overnight and it will remove lime scale. So we'll see, but it looks quite interesting. Never seen it before. Dishwasher salt because we've run out. Another toilet cleaner to put in the other toilet. New bedding for me and Ben, because hardly anywhere, like in the shops, like Asda and places where I normally get my bedding from, they don't do Super King in the shops. They do it online, but not in the shops. And I saw they had this, and it's Super King, and it was 20 quid. Look, is that not the most beautiful bedding you've ever seen? I absolutely love it. It's gonna go so nice. I'm gonna put it on, like, as soon as I finish filming, I'm going to put it on. I'll put a picture in when it's on. So that was it for Home Bargains. And then I went to B&M because I needed yogurts, but they didn't have any yogurts. And I also needed flowers, and they didn't have flowers either, but that's what I thought they would have, but they didn't. So I just got a couple of bits in there. I got the girls one of these trays each, which is just so cute. For their dinners, they love stuff like this. They used to have them when they were little, but they had like the little tiny sections for when they were toddlers, and now they're bigger. It's got big sections. They were £3 each. And then Aria has decided she wants to make Rocky Road, so I got 3 bars of chocolate and some marshmallows, and then oh, don't break. I got these. I'm an idiot. They're really big glass jars, and I'm going to put my fabric softener in one, and my washing liquid in the other one. I just thought they would look nice. So yeah, that is the biggest Home Bargains haul and B&M haul that I think I've ever done ever. Yeah, I love watching these kind of videos. If you like them, please do give this one a big thumbs up. I think I'm going to do a giveaway of like Home Bargain stuff. I'm going to go and get like loads of my favourite things like the candles and stuff, and do like a giveaway of Home Bargains goodies. Not yet, just because I don't need to go again. When I run out of stuff again, I will go again. I'm not just going to go randomly to buy candles. But if you feel like that would be like a good giveaway, like what is your favourite thing from Home Bargains that you would want to be included, let me know, because I feel like that would be like, I'd enter a Home Bargains giveaway any day of the week. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. I'm going to go and put all this away and put this new bed in it.